case packing of both sachets and standard pouches. Our main challenge here was to handle two primary packaging types in two very different batch arrangements. The first range of format was upright sachets in a shelf-ready packaging, while the second family of bags was standard pouches which were requested to be flat in a wraparound length. Most of the pouch content sits in the bottom half, so to fill the case properly and balance their weight, the different layers of product also had to be packed head to toe. Finally, the space constraints on site could only allow one case packer, a single case packing solution that will have to deliver also ergonomic changeovers between the two main products configuration. Alright, challenge accepted. Both sachets and standard pouches are fed into the case packer, lying flat on the belt conveyor. They are then grouped by racetrack collator with customized buckets, 3 products per bucket for the pouches and 2 for the sachets. For the standard pouches, as soon as a complete layer is formed, a robotic pick-and-place arm places them in the wraparound length. Every 2 layers, the robot rotates the batch at 180 degrees to allow the head-to-toe configuration. On the other hand, the sachet format are stood upright by the collator and then pushed sideways by a robotic arm into retail-ready boxes. Then, the secondary packaging part is completed by our usual Sachets WB46 4 stations process, which includes blank extraction, case loading, case folding, case sealing by hot melt glue. For fast, repeatable and user-friendly changeovers, the bucket chain replacement is done easily at ergonomic height. Same approach for the robot gripping head, allowing changeovers with only one operator. Scalable, flexible and reliable, challenge solved!